This is my Enhancement 7 video. Just gonna log in under my admin name. As you can see, I've got all the information required. I got the product management and it's showing me that I'm logged in. I can validate the HTML and also the CSS. So if I go in and don't change anything, it takes me back here and gives me an error. If I change one thing, it tells me that I have successfully changed. I go back and I change my password. You can see that it successfully updated it. If I log out and go and log back in with the new password, it then takes me in here. And you can see that the HTML is valid, as well as the CSS. And if I change the password to something that is not correct and hit no validate, you can see I get an error here. So that should be everything. Thanks.